A failing ice level control can be the cause of an overfilling bin of a Scotsman residential SCN60 ice machine, or a bin that is not filling at all. The SCN60 uses an ultrasonic ice level sensor to determine the level of the ice and consists of 3 wires, brown, green, and white. When the sensor determines that the bin level is not high enough, the circuit between the green and white wire will close, triggering the machine to resume ice making. The tools and supplies required for this job are a Phillips head screwdriver and a short piece of wire with the end stripped. An ice machine installed under a counter will need to be removed so that the top panel can be taken off to access the control board. After removing the top panel, remove the control board cover. If the ice making light is lit and water is present in the reservoir but the bin is empty and the machine is not making ice, the ice level control can be jumped out at the control board to determine if the issue is related to the sensor or the control board. On the control board, locate the sensor input marked J9 and unplug the harness. Using a short length of spare wire with both ends stripped, short the 2 middle pins at J9 together. If the unit starts, then the ice level control is defective and will need to be replaced. If the unit does not start, further troubleshooting of the transformer or membrane touch control panel will be needed. If the bin is full and the machine continues to make ice, the ice level control can be unplugged from the control board to determine if the issue is related to the sensor or the control board. On the control board, locate the sensor input marked J9 and unplug the harness. If the compressor shuts off after unplugging the sensor, then the ice level control is defective and will need to be replaced. If the compressor does not shut off and the machine continues making ice, then the control board will need to be replaced.